Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to dive into the next set of words in this series. Let's get started. Word, dissent. Spelling, D-I-S-S-E-N-T. Meaning, a difference of opinion or disagreement, especially about a particular issue or policy. Synonyms, disagreement, opposition, objection. Antonyms, agreement, consent, harmony. Usage. The judge's dissenting opinion highlighted the legal complexities of the case. The group's dissent from the majority view led to a heated debate. Word, dissonance. Spelling, D-I-S-S-O-N-A-N-C-E. Meaning, a state of tension, conflict, or incongruity between two or more things, such as ideas, emotions, or actions. Synonyms, discord, conflict, tension. Antonyms, harmony, concord, agreement. Usage. The dissonance in the music created a tense atmosphere. He felt a sense of dissonance between his beliefs and his actions. Word, dissuade. Spelling, D-I-S-S-U-A-D-E. Meaning, to persuade someone not to do something or to turn them away from a particular course of action. Synonyms, deter, restrain, divert. Antonyms, encourage, persuade, induce. Usage. She tried to dissuade him from taking the risky job. The counselor's advice dissuaded the student from dropping out of college. Word, docile. Spelling, D-O-C-I-L-E. Meaning, ready to accept instruction or direction. Obedient, subservient. Synonyms, amenable, compliant, teachable. Antonyms, perverse, defiant, rebellious. Usage. The docile animal followed its trainer without hesitation. The teacher appreciated the docile nature of her new student. Word, dogmatic. Spelling, D-O-G-M-A-T-I-C. Meaning, not provided in the search results, however, generally means, having or showing an unchanging opinion or belief, especially without considering other people's views. Synonyms, not provided in the search results, however, generally includes, authoritarian, dictatorial. Antonyms, not provided in the search results, however, generally includes, flexible, open-minded. Usage. The professor was known for his dogmatic approach to teaching. Her dogmatic views on politics often led to heated debates. Word, dormant. Spelling, D-O-R-M-A-N-T. Meaning, not active, growing, or being used at the present time but is capable of becoming active later on. Synonyms, latent, inactive, lurking. Antonyms, active, awake, alert. Usage. The volcano had been dormant for centuries before it erupted. The company's dormant project was revived after securing new funding. Word, dour. Spelling, D-O-U-R. Meaning, not provided in the search results, however, generally means, having a stern or gloomy expression, unfriendly and uncooperative. Synonyms, not provided in the search results, however, generally includes, stern, gloomy. Antonyms, not provided in the search results, however, generally includes, cheerful, friendly. Usage. The dour expression on his face made him seem unapproachable. Her dour demeanor often made her colleagues uncomfortable. Word, duplicity. Spelling, D-U-P-L-I-C-I-T-Y. Meaning, deceitfulness in speech or conduct, speaking or acting in two different ways concerning the same matter with intent to deceive, double-dealing. Synonyms, deceit, fraud, deception. Antonyms, straightforwardness, honesty, sincerity. Usage. The politician was accused of duplicity for making contradictory statements. Her duplicity in the business deal led to a loss of trust among her partners. Word, duress. Spelling, D-U-R-E-S-S. Meaning, the use of force or threats, compulsion by threat or force, coercion, constraint. Synonyms, pressure, threat, constraint. Antonyms, freedom, liberty, voluntariness. Usage. The confession was made under duress and was not admissible in court. She felt under duress to sign the contract due to the aggressive sales tactics. Word, ebullient. Spelling, E-B-U-L-L-I-E-N-T. Meaning, enthusiastic, high-spirited, characterized by intense and effervescent activity. Synonyms, bubbly, effervescent, zestful. Antonyms, depressed, dispirited, downcast. Usage. A glass of red wine always put her in an ebullient mood. The attractive and ebullient woman was the center of attention. Word: eclectic. Spelling: eclectic. Meaning: selecting or employing individual elements from a variety of sources, systems, or styles. Synonyms: varied, mixed, mingled. Antonyms: uniform, homogeneous, consistent. Usage: the artist's eclectic style combined elements from different cultures. The eclectic restaurant served dishes from around the world. Word: edict. Spelling: edict. Meaning: a formal declaration or proclamation, especially one issued by a person in authority. Synonyms: decree, directive, injunction. Antonyms: suggestion, proposal, recommendation. Usage: the king issued an edict that all citizens must obey the new law. The company's edict on social media usage was strict. Word: efface. Spelling: efface. Meaning: to rub out, erase, or obliterate something, or to make oneself inconspicuous. Synonyms: erase, obliterate, remove. Antonyms: reveal, expose, highlight. Usage: the artist tried to efface the mistake from the painting. She effaced herself from the conversation to avoid attention. Word: effervescent. Spelling: effervescent. Meaning: bubbly or sparkling, especially with enthusiasm or excitement. Synonyms: bubbly, lively, animated. Antonyms: dull, flat, lifeless. Usage: the effervescent personality of the host made the party enjoyable. The effervescent drink was refreshing on a hot day. Word: efficacious. Spelling: efficacious. Meaning: capable of or successful in producing an intended result, effective as a means, remedy, etc. Synonyms: effective, successful, efficient. Antonyms: ineffective, unsuccessful, inefficient. Usage: the medicine is efficacious in stopping a cough. The new policy has been efficacious in reducing costs. Word: effrontery. Spelling: effrontery. Meaning: behavior that is bold, rude, or disrespectful. Synonyms: insolence, nerve, arrogance. Antonyms: modesty, humility, respect. Usage: she had the effrontery to ask for 2 free samples. The man had the effrontery to be sarcastic during the meeting. Word: effulgent. Spelling: effulgent. Meaning: radiant, resplendent, shining. Synonyms: radiant, resplendent, shining. Antonyms: dull, dim, dark. Usage: the sunset was effulgent, painting the sky with vibrant colors. Her smile was effulgent, lighting up the entire room. Word: elegy. Spelling: elegy. Meaning: a mournful or plaintive poem, a poem or song expressive of sorrow and lamentation. Synonyms: lament, dirge, requiem. Antonyms: celebration, hymn, paean. Usage: the poet wrote an elegy for the deceased. The elegy was a beautiful expression of sorrow and loss. Word: elicit. Spelling: elicit. Meaning: to call forth, emotions, feelings, and responses, to deduce, a principle, or construe, a meaning. Synonyms: evoke, provoke, draw. Antonyms: suppress, conceal, hide. Usage: the question was designed to elicit a specific response. The teacher tried to elicit the correct answer from the student. Word: elucidate. Spelling: elucidate. Meaning: to make something clear or easy to understand by explaining or interpreting it. Synonyms: clarify, explain, interpret. Antonyms: obscure, confuse, complicate. Usage: the professor took extra time to elucidate the complex mathematical concept. The detailed instructions helped to elucidate the assembly process. Word: emulate. Spelling: emulate. Meaning: to imitate or copy someone or something, often because you admire them. Synonyms: imitate, copy, mimic. Antonyms: differ, contrast, diverge. Usage: the young artist sought to emulate the style of her favorite painter. The company aims to emulate the success of its competitors. Word: Enfranchise. Spelling: enfranchise. Meaning: to give someone the right to vote or to participate in the political process. Synonyms: empower, liberate, free. Antonyms: disenfranchise, restrict, oppress. Usage: the civil rights movement worked to enfranchise African Americans. The new law will enfranchise thousands of previously ineligible voters. Word: enmity. Spelling: enmity. Meaning: a state of deep-seated ill will or hostility between people or groups. Synonyms: hostility, antagonism, animosity. Antonyms: friendship, harmony, amity. Usage: the two nations have a long history of enmity. The bitter enmity between the two politicians was evident in their debate. Word: ephemeral. Spelling: ephemeral. Meaning: lasting for a very short time. Synonyms: transitory, fleeting, temporary. Antonyms: permanent, lasting, enduring. Usage: the firefly's glow is ephemeral, lasting only for a few seconds. The popularity of the new restaurant proved to be ephemeral. Word: erudite. Spelling: erudite. Meaning: having or showing great academic knowledge. Synonyms: learned, lettered, cultured. Antonyms: ignorant, uneducated. Usage: he was never dull, always erudite and well-informed. She wrote in an original and highly erudite style. So, what did you think of this video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Kavi's Brain Boosters, to monitor your daily progress and get the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.